Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, first of all, I just want to thank to all of you guys for support and all this stuff. So you guys subscribing and watch my videos and all this stuff. So finally I hit my 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. So really, very big up for everybody. And that was gonna motivate me to make more videos, to post more often, so we can learn to trade forex market. And who knows, maybe at the end somebody will gonna start make money out of those videos. Who knows? I learned from YouTube, so I never bought a course or something like that. But anyway guys, I learned by myself, and I wouldn't say I'm the best trader in the world, but at least I'm trying my best to make some money, obviously with the break and retest strategy. But anyway guys, in today's video I just gonna announce that I'm gonna start to make videos on the different strategies that will show me which strategy is good enough to pass the FTMO challenge. So whoever likes this idea, comment down below, comment which strategy do you want me to implement and to see the results, if we really can get done this FTMO challenge or not. So yeah guys, I don't want to take for too long on this video, but yeah guys, I just wanted to say thank you for all your support and see you in the next video. Bye bye.